Imagine the simplest atom, but reflected in a cosmic mirror. Not built from ordinary matter, but from the other side of reality. Hydrogen. Hydrogen. Yeah, yeah. Hydrogen is simple, one spark in the night, one proton in the center, one electron in flight. But in a hydrogen flips that frame around a mirror made atom where strange truths are found. No proton in the core, there's an antiproton, negative in charge, like a shadow in motion. No electron outside, there's a positron glow, positive in light where the orbit lines flow. Same little shape, but the pieces reversed, a quiet little key to the code of the universe. If matter has a twin on the opposite side, then anti-hydrogen is where the big questions hide. It is not magic, not a fantasy flame. It follows deep laws with the mirror world name. But touch normal matter and the moment is gone. Matter meets antimatter, then the light turns on.
Anti-hydrogen, mirror in the light, same but still different in the heart of the night. You carry the question that the stars never say. Why did matter survive when the rest slip away? Mirror of starlight, don't fade from view. Antiproton, positron, we follow you.
Yeah. As CERN they chase you through the cold in the dark. 1995 was the first real spark, a fleeting little atom, but history heard. Antimatter science had spoken its word. Then colder and calmer the story grew. 2002 brought a sharper breakthrough. ATHENA and ATRAP made the signal more clear, bringing anti-hydrogen physically near. Alpha held it longer away from the wall, trapped in a vacuum where it would not fall. For more than 1,000 seconds controlled and alive, long enough for deeper tests to arrive. Every measurement, that's what the cosmos obeys. Do matter and antimatter share the same ways. Is CPT symmetry perfectly true, or is there a hidden crack we never knew?
Anti-hydrogen, mirror in the light, same but still different in the heart of the night. You carry the question that the stars never say. Why did matter survive when the rest slipped away? Mirror of starlight, don't fade from view. Antiproton, positron, we follow you. When you fall, do you fall like us? Does gravity treat you with equal trust? Do your colors match in the spectral line, or do you open a door beyond space and time?
One tiny difference, one whisper in light, could shake the whole model and rewrite the night. Spectroscopy reads the fingerprints bright. Hydrogen and anti-hydrogen measured in light. Energy levels, frequencies clean and small. One tiny shift could challenge it all. Antiproton meets proton, energy flies. Positron meets electron, both disappear in the skies. That is annihilation, pure and strong. Mass turns to energy where opposites belong. But trapped in silence, far from the touch,
Anti-hydrogen
teaches us so much. Not a monster, not a myth, not a weaponized dream, but a mirror of nature in a quantum machine.
Anti-hydrogen, mirror in the light, same but still different in the heart of the night. You carry the question that the stars never say. Why did matter survive when the rest slipped away? Anti-hydrogen,
Atom fully unknown.
you bring the deepest cosmic questions home.
From CERN to the stars, from the core to the throne.
You are antiproton and positron.
Sometimes the smallest thing asks the biggest question. An atom made of antimatter looks at the universe and asks why we are here.
Mirror of starlight, anti-hydrogen, anti-hydrogen, mirror of starlight.